Making extra money online sounds exciting, but many people get stuck because they don't know where to start or they try things that look good in theory but don't really work. The truth is, not every side hustle is realistic for beginners. Some need big investment, some need advanced skills, and some just waste your time. In this video, I am going to share side hustle ideas that regular people are actually using to earn online, and the best part is you just start using your browser without complicated tools. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we make technology simple and help you work smarter using easy tools and practical methods. If you like practical ideas that you can actually try, make sure to subscribe this channel. Also, check the link from description for helpful links related to the platforms we mention and any available benefit that will be applied automatically. So you can explore everything easily without any coupon code or doing anything extra. Now let's talk about the real side hustle that actually work. The first one is selling digital product. This is one of the best beginner friendly side hustle because you create something once and you can sell it many times. You don't need to ship anything and you don't need to big budget. One popular way to do is by selling digital planners, template or simple design files on platform where people already search for the ready-made downloads. If you search online marketplaces for things like the budget planner, resume template or social media template, you will see that many sellers are offering simple digital files again and again. Buyers download the file after purchase, so the seller doesn't have to do extra work each time. You can create this product using simple design tools. For example, you can design a daily planner or a study timetable or an Instagram post template. Then you export it as a PDF or image file and upload it to your own shop or the marketplace. The key here is not something that is perfect, but making something that is useful. Students, small business owners, and content creators are always looking for the ready-made template to save time. Once your product is listed, you can keep selling in the background, which makes this a powerful long-term side hustle. The second side hustle is offering simple freelance services. Many people think freelancing means you must be an expert, but that's not always true. There are many small tasks that businesses and creators need help with every day. Online freelance platforms are full of these opportunities. Services like data entry, basic design help, file formatting, presentation design, or simple content editing that are always in demand. These are tasks that don't always require the advanced degrees. If you know how to use basic computer tools, write clearly, or organize information, you already have the skills that someone else may pay for. The secret is to start with one clear service and describe it in a simple way so clients understand exactly what you offer. When you do small jobs well and communicate clearly, you can slowly build good reviews and increase your income over time. Freelancing works well as a side hustle because you can choose how much work you take. If you are a student or have a full-time job, you can complete these small tasks in your free time. Both of these side hustles have something in common. You don't need a big investment and you can start using platforms that already have customers. Instead of building from the zero or scratch, you are joining places where people are already searching for these services and digital products. The most important thing is to start simple and stay consistent. Your first design may not perfect. Your first freelance job may pay a small amount, but with practice, your skills and confidence will grow. Small steps can slowly turn into the real results. So, if you want a side hustle that actually works, focus on digital products or simple freelance services. These are practical, always beginner friendly, and possible to start with just a laptop and internet connection. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If this video gave you the clear ideas for starting an online side hustle, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to check the link from description. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.